If you are running Google Ads right now but not seeing any conversions coming through, then this video is for you. I'm going to take you through these 6 things you can do in this scenario to boost your conversions and get your Google Ads campaign back on track. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I'm Daryl and I run a Google Ads agency called BigFlare. We do over $40 million per year in Google Ads revenue for our clients, so rest assured, getting no conversions from Google Ads is a problem I definitely know the solution to. Stick with me so you can learn the top 6 things to do to fix your broken Google Ads campaigns. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is make sure your conversion tracking in Google Ads is actually working. Now, if you are not getting any sales or conversions in Google Ads at all, chances are there's a deeper issue. As a business owner, you are likely able to see in the back end, regardless of whether the conversions show in Google Ads, whether the sales and leads are actually happening or not. That said, this is still very important to check because any issue with your conversion tracking in Google Ads can mess up your Google Ads data, which in turn means the system will not know how to bid effectively for you. To check your conversion tracking, first install a Google Chrome extension called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. Now, get in the shoes of your customer and convert the way you expect them to on your site. First, load up your website and then make sure to click Enable within the extension settings so that it's now looking for tags on your site. Go through the full process as if you're a customer about to convert on your site. As you go through this process, on every page you go through, click to open the extension, and when you do, make sure you do not see the Google Ads conversion tag showing on any page before the thank you page. Seeing the Google Analytics tag or the global site tag on all your pages before the thank you page is fine, but you do not want to see the conversion tag on any page other than the thank you page. Once you're in the checkout cart, add your test card details or your real card details. Of course, you can always cancel and refund yourself later. Once you get to the thank you page, meaning the first page you see after the sale has been completed, you want to see that the Google Ads conversion tag is actually on the thank you page. It should be there inside Google Tag Assistant. And when you click on that tag inside Google Tag Assistant, it should pop open and show you something like this. If you're an e-commerce advertiser, then you should be tracking revenue and you should see the correct number that matches your purchase amount in this part here, where it says conversion value. Now, if you have your conversion tag showing on pages of your site that are not your thank you page, you need to take the tag off those pages. And if you get to the thank you page and you do not see your tag there, you need to properly install your tag. In Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings and then Conversions. Open up your primary conversion action, then click Tag Setup. Select the option that best suits you and follow the instructions carefully to properly install the tag. Alright, so you've checked conversion tracking and it's all working correctly. What next? Well, the next thing to do is to check you are actually getting enough traffic that you can reasonably expect to be getting some conversions in the first place. E-commerce advertisers might expect to get a conversion rate around the 3 to 5% mark in Google Ads, although of course this varies wildly. Whatever the conversion rate is going to be for your site, if you haven't gotten at least a few hundred clicks already, then maybe you just need to adjust bids and or wait a bit longer so that you can get enough clicks to really see if you're getting conversions from your campaigns or not. Which brings me to my next point, adjusting your bid strategy. If you are not seeing enough clicks in Google Ads, this is often because you have your bid strategy set up incorrectly. If you are running a bid strategy set to target ROAS or one set to target CPA, and you have a pretty new account or campaign, then your bid strategy might be limiting your bids to the point where you just aren't spending enough to get conversions. If you are using manual CPC and have manually set your CPC bids too low, same potential issue. And if you're using maximize conversions without a target CPA or ROAS, but you have set your daily budget too low, once again, this could result in the issue of the system limiting your bids to the point where you just don't get enough traffic to get conversions. Go into Google Ads and add the bid strategy and bid strategy type columns from the selector there. Now you can see the bid strategy you are running in each campaign, and you can check the daily budget too. If running target CPA or target ROAS, you'll see it there. I suggest removing the target ROAS or CPA and moving to just maximize conversions for now, just to get your campaign spending more if it isn't already. If you're running manual CPC, then either raise your CPC bids or just switch to maximize conversions. And if your daily budget is really low, like $10 a day, consider raising it up to ensure that you're actually spending enough to see some conversions. By the way, if you would like to get the kinds of results that my team and I at Bigflare got for this client, or even this client, then head on over to the link in the description below. Using the form on that page, you can get in touch with me and schedule in a free PPC strategy session. We'll hop on the phone, discuss your challenges, and dive into actionable strategies that you can use to grow your revenue with PPC. All right. So it might not actually be Google Ads that is the issue, it might be a wider issue to do with your website, product, or offering. One way you can check for this is to check and see how other channels are converting in comparison to Google Ads. In Google Analytics 4, click on Advertising in the left-hand sidebar and then click on Performance, then All Channels. From here, you can check your conversions across all your default channel groupings, including paid search, shopping, referrals, etc. If you see that all your other marketing channels are getting clicks and yet none of them are converting, or they are also getting a very low conversion rate, chances are that there's something off about your website or offering. This then would not be a Google Ads issue, it's a wider business issue. You may need to better optimize your website for conversions. Fix any issues on your website that could be preventing conversions from happening, and retest your pricing and/or offering to achieve market fit. If you have done everything so far on this list, hopefully you've already figured out your issue. If not, check your search terms report to make sure the keywords that you are showing ads for are actually the keywords you want to be showing ads for. In Google Ads, open up your search campaign, then in the left-hand sidebar, click on Keywords, then Search Terms. The search terms report will pop open. I like to increase the number of rows I can view, then order in descending order of impressions. Scan down this list and make sure all these terms make sense to you. If you see anything in there that looks irrelevant to your business or product, highlight it, then click the option to add it as a negative keyword. Now, if you looked at that search terms report and all or most of the terms in there just seem really out of line with what you actually sell, you are targeting the wrong keywords. Go back to your original keyword list and consider just changing it up completely to target the actual core keywords that people are searching for when they are clearly in the market for your product or service. Another thing to consider is your keyword match type. Maybe the keywords you have selected are already bullseye keywords, but you have used broad match. If this is the case, then broad match might be the thing that's causing your issue. I suggest changing your match type to focus on phrase and exact match keywords instead. Number 6 on my list is to target solutions, not problems, with your keywords. What I mean is that your keyword selection should be targeting people who know both the problem they have and the solution they want. For example, let's say I have a weight loss supplement that helps people to shed a few unwanted pounds. A bad keyword to target would be how to lose weight. This person knows the problem they have, but they have not yet settled on a solution. They may end up wanting a gym membership, a personal trainer, some free information, a nutrition plan, or any other number of things. Instead, in this example, I would want to target keywords like pill to lose weight, or weight loss supplement, or someone's searching the exact ingredients that are in my supplement. With keywords like that, we know that the person who has the problem has already decided on the solution they want. And it's the solution that we have, so we should be focusing on keywords like that. All right, guys, I hope that's been helpful and that your Google Ads campaign is now steaming ahead and doing tons of conversions. If this has been helpful, then do leave me a like and hit the subscribe button now. I post videos like this every week, and I hope to see you there on the next one.